Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to work with tables in Obsidian. So by the end of this guide, you'll know how to install a useful plugin and use it to create, organize, and edit tables more easily. So first, I want you to open Obsidian and click the gear icon in the lower left corner to open settings. And from the sidebar, select Community Plugins, and you may see a warning explaining that these plugins are made by third-party developers. Continue so that you can open the plugin directory. Next, I want you to click Browse and search for Dataview. This plugin allows you to create tables using the information from your notes, including front matter and inline fields. It is also useful because your tables can update automatically when your note information changes. So click Install, then click Enable, and once the plugin is active, close Settings and return to your notes. Now, open the note where you want to add a table, and you can paste a normal Markdown table or use a Dataview block. A Markdown table uses pipes and dashes, while a Dataview table creates results from the information stored in your notes. And after adding your table, open the advanced table controls on the right side of the editor. So these controls make it easier to manage the table without manually fixing the Markdown format. You can also align columns to the left, center, or right. You can also move columns, add new rows, duplicate existing rows, or remove rows you no longer need. So for normal Markdown tables, you can edit each cell directly. And finally, use live preview or switch to reading view to check that everything looks correct. That is how you can create, move, align, and edit tables in Obsidian more smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.